Hello students, today we are going to explore two important concepts in statistics, mode and standard deviation. Both are essential to understand data properly. You already know the three main measures of central tendency: mean, median and mode. Mean gives the average, median gives the middle value, and mode shows the most frequent value.
Sir, may I ask a question? For what kind of data is mode most useful?
Good question. Mode is useful when we want to know the most common or popular value. For example, the most worn shoe size in a class or the mark scored by the maximum number of students. For group data, we use a formula: mode equals the lower limit of the model class plus the difference between the frequency of the model class and the previous class divided by twice the frequency of the model class minus the previous and next frequencies multiplied by the class width. Let's see an example. Suppose marks of students are distributed like this. The class 30 to 40 has the highest frequency. This is the model class. By applying the formula step by step, we find the mode is about 33.3 marks.
Sir, why don't we just take the midpoint of the model class?
That's because the mode is not always in the middle. The formula adjusts according to how the frequencies are spread before and after the model class. Now let us move to standard deviation, denoted by sigma. It measures how much the values deviate from the mean. If sigma is small, the data values are close to the mean. If sigma is large, the data values are widely spread. The idea is simple. We find how far each value is from the mean, square these differences, take the average, and finally the square root. To save time, we often use the shortcut formula: standard deviation equals the square root of sum of fx squared upon total frequency minus the square of sum of fx upon total frequency. Example: take the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Their mean is 30. If we calculate squared deviations 400, 100, 0, 100, and 400 and take their average, we get sigma equals 14.14.
Sir, why do we square the deviations instead of simply adding them?
Great question. If we add deviations directly, positive and negative values cancel out. By squaring, we make all deviations positive and measure the true spread. Finally, remember this relation: mode is approximately equal to 3 times the median minus 2 times the mean. So today we covered mode, standard deviation, their formulas, examples, and their importance. Keep practicing for full clarity. Jai Hind.